Hey everybody, this is Mark Rallmaker, the Real Estate Ninja with the Home Squad, brokered by eXp Realty. I'm here today at my brand new listing on 2341 Betsy. Hold on a second. Hey John, hey, what are you doing?
Hey everybody, my name is Jonathan Spiegel, the Dream Maker, and I'm with the Home Squad, brokered by eXp Realty. I'm here at my brand new listing at 2341 Diana Ross Circle and
Betsy Ross Lane.
Betsy Ross Lane, 2341 Betsy Ross Lane. I would love for you to come check it out. Let's rock and roll. Is this a townhome or a townhome?
It's a condo.
Condo?
Yeah.
I knew that.
Okay.
You passed the test.
All right. Hey, I should go first. That's my. Let me in.
Get inside.
Let me in. You're pushing the door.
Close the door then.
I am. Stop. All right. So, right when you walk in, you have this huge open
floor plan. So with this open floor plan, you can hang out with your family over here, still be able to be in the breakfast nook as well as cooking in the kitchen. You also have an extra flex space here, all while having that whole entire area to entertain as well.
Yeah, and the floors, that's one of my
That's one of my favorite things that I was gonna talk about. Thanks, Mark.
Yeah.
The floors are updated in different parts around the house, giving you the ability to clean up from those kids, spills, or maybe some pets as well.
Right.
What do you think about it, Mark?
My favorite part
My thoughts exactly. Let's go check it out.
Okay. I should be telling people it's my listing. So over here you have this breakfast nook.
You have this breakfast nook over here that we were talking about. Thanks, Mark.
Yeah.
I think I mentioned the breakfast nook earlier.
You did, but I wanted to.
Thanks for setting it up. So over here you have one of the most amazing features of my entire listing that I have here. This is a 4-level, what they call a quadra wood plank family swing system.
What?
So here you can fit at least
this is
4 family members on them.
It's a shelf.
Small
They're just
children.
shelves. They're custom.
You stack them vertically and you just swing them from
No,
side
don't touch
to
it.
side.
No, it's just a
Or a
shelf.
dozen toddlers.
That's a shelf.
Well, it does have a weight limit. You're right. It does have a weight limit.
Oh, it has a weight limit? What's the weight limit on it?
6.
All right, well, let's go see the
Kitchen!
So here is the kitchen, right off the living room, right off the breakfast nook.
Right off the breakfast nook. It's a beautiful space. So you can see that it opens up to the rest of the area. So while you're cooking and you're cleaning and kind of wrapping up after entertaining or whatnot, you can still be involved with all the family business. I really, really enjoy these kitchen cabinets. This is one of my main favorites of this whole entire thing. You can actually upgrade these or retrograde these. It's a really good thing.
What is it? You said what's retrograde?
I don't know, I just made that up.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it in my listing description.
All right.
Of 2341 Betsy Ross Lane.
Yeah.
In St.
And also
Cloud.
they have a great refrigerator.
This refrigerator is one of the most stably cold refrigerators that's here in this house. And you can see that it has one component that keeps you cold, another one that keeps ice cubes cold enough to keep frozen. Let's go over here. Mark, after you.
Okay.
It's my listing.
So off the kitchen and off the living room, you actually have this really cool space. It could be a dining
It's a
room.
flex
It could be
space that I think would be really, really great if you wanted to do some sort of Airbnb, but kind of a French-style cafe.
What?
Right. So if you have like 2 or 3 tables, but you want to serve some espresso or maybe some French press
That
coffee.
can't be.
Or some,
It's somebody's house.
you don't know that.
I do know that. You know that too.
I do. Actually, I do know that.
It's a cool idea though.
It's not allowed.
Yeah.
Have you told everybody else about the
laundry room?
No, you obviously don't know this house. Have you told everybody about the laundry room? This guy. So let's go ahead and check those things out. Come on, guys, follow me. It's my listing.
Yep. It's my listing. So right in this room, you actually have the laundry room with some custom-made
shelving, and it's actually so beautiful in there. You have all the room and storage to do anything that you need to make sure that your cleaning needs are taken care of. And back behind me is the half bath. Thanks, Mark. Back behind me is the half bath with a very efficient hot water heater, so you know everything's gonna be going piping hot, but also taking care of the environment at the same time. You're in my bubble, dude. Sorry.
So upstairs, you actually have the master
You have a master
bedroom
bedroom with the updated flooring. It is so nice. You also have actually
the tray ceiling. You have tray ceilings here too. It's like a pretty custom made, so that's
so it doesn't actually feel like it's coming down on top of you because you have a great looking
ceiling fan. You have a ceiling fan right there too.
Typically and also these have 4 bulbs, but right now this has 3 bulbs, right? So, but I think that the best thing about this is that
the paint. They repainted the entire room.
Brand new
paint.
paint.
It's a great master bedroom. Let's go check out the bathroom.
Come on, let's
go
go
check out
this
the
together.
bathroom. Come with the bathroom. So when you walk
right
in, you
here,
actually
as soon as
enjoy
you
this
walk in, you have
beautiful
a
tile
bathtub
floor.
right up here on the right-hand
You do
side.
have a
have
toilet
this
over
great
here, which is
green
great,
pane
and you have dual
window where you
sinks
can have
right
this
here,
thing.
so you
You
can have
have
two
dual
people
sinks
in
where you
here,
have two
and the
people. You
skylight
also
that
have a
comes in is
skylight over there,
fantastic.
but you can brush
And the
your
paint
teeth
is wonderful.
here,
Thank
and
you for
also
coming
wash
in the
your
bathroom
hands
with
here,
me.
two different
Why don't we go ahead and
So
check
there's
out
gonna be
some
a
more
water
of their
closet over.
house? That's
Would you
right.
like to go see some more of the house? Come on, let's go, Daniel. Follow me because I sent the email. Okay, come on.
This is
This is really, really nice.
yeah. This patio's. I don't even know. You know, I do know what to say.
Can I apologize?
I was gonna apologize. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too, Mark.
I feel like I was trying to run the whole video.
Well, you know, it is your listing.
No, it's our listing. You know, you work hard. I work hard.
Yeah, and we're on the same team and stuff, and
Yeah.
you're a great team leader, and I just really
You're
appreciate
great.
you.
You're just a great person, and your hair looks really good today.
Thank you. I just got it cut yesterday.
I got my cut too.
It really looks good, especially in the back.
Thanks, buddy. So if you want to buy this house, 2341 Betsy Ross Lane, contact me or Jonathan, and we'll set it all up for you.
We'll set it all up for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll check you out the next listing video.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Bye, guys. I think it's gonna sell fast.
I know.
Yeah,
That's a really
it's a
great
good
listing.
listing. I'm
Hey,
excited
would you mind if I shot my new listing video really quick?
Yeah,
I just got it like in
think
the
we're-
last 5 minutes.
Oh, you just got it?
Yeah,
Is it
Daniel's
nearby?
here, so yeah,
we
it's
can
really
do it.
close.
Is it nearby?
Yeah.
We can walk?
Yeah, we can walk.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Let's do
Come
it.
on, guys.
Okay.
Welcome home. Hey everybody, my name is Jonathan Spiegel, the Dream Maker with eXp Realty and the Home Squad. I wanted to show you my brand new listing tucked away right here in the heart of Central Florida. We have a studio townhome, one of the most amazing values that you're gonna be able to find here in Central Florida. Back here you have a walk-up closet. It's one of the most amazing features we have here. You can store almost anything you want within this small space as long as it fits.
Jonathan. There's no rear neighbors.
No rear neighbors, Mark. Thanks for bringing that up.
Unbelievable.
So, I know, it's so great.
What is the price of this?
This
right
is
now?
going right now. You can get it right now for $435,000. Just please contact me.
That's crazy.
I know, it's a great price.
It's probably already sold.
I mean, it's
I might buy it.
Don't yet. I need to
Okay,
list
all right.
it.
Contact
Anyways,
us,
Contact
the Home
us.
Squad.
Thank you so much.
Man.
I know, it's really good condition.
It comes with a garden.
I know. Come on in.
I can't fit in there.
You can if you want.
Yeah, go ahead and do your thing. Let me kind of fall in, let go, and I'll be like, you know what I mean? It is slippery. It really is slippery. Did you get that? It's like ice. Oh.
It is slippery. I got you though, bro.
All right.